Valli and welcome back to Mugdha Arts and Studio. So in this session I've come up with beautiful organza sarees with Banarasi borders. So let's have a look at the saree I'm wearing on. Here comes bright shade of tomato red with leaf green on borders. So we have got Banarasi work on the borders and beautiful zari motifs all over the saree. So this saree మీద వచ్చి మనకి gold and silver booties ఉన్నాయి placed alternatively. So this is how the pallu looks like, and here comes the blouse in green, darker shade of leaf green this is. So when it comes to border on this, we have two different zari shades, gold and silver. So let's see the mannequin pieces in the background. Here comes the first piece in mannequin with red, and this is cherry red with leaf green on borders. So overall saree we have got differently designed motifs with copper and silver. On borders we have Banarasi work with flowers and Rudraksh motifs. So on the edges we have zigzag lines. So it's the entire saree. So let's see the second one, which is in lemon yellow with so you can call it neon yellow with violet on borders. So we have darker shade of violet on borders, darker than brinjal. On borders we have Banarasi work with floral design and floral motifs all over the saree. So here comes the third piece on mannequin. So here we have got different colors. You can see rainbow colors on throughout the saree border. So let me read out the colors we are having it here. So firstly we have separation with silver and golden lines which are placed diagonally, and we have black, green, yellow and pink colors on this. So which is a differently designed saree. So you can call this as half saree type saree ఎందుకంటే మనకి upper part and lower లో వచ్చి differently designed colors ఉన్నాయి. When it comes to between we have neon pink in between, and on borders వచ్చి మనకి మధ్యలో జరీ తోటి డిజైన్ ఉందండి and polka dots with silver. So here comes the last piece in display with the brighter shade of maroon. So you can call it wine instead of maroon. So it is wine shade lo undandi with green, neon green on borders. So such a different color combination, wine green and neon green. సారీ అంతా కూడా మనకి ఈ మోటివ్స్ చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా డిజైన్ చేశారు అండ్ ఇట్ రియలీ లుక్స్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చి గోల్డ్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ తోటి వర్క్ ఉంది విత్ సిల్వర్ రోజెస్ ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ విత్ గోల్డ్ వీ హ్యావ్ లీఫ్ మోటివ్ డిజైన్. when it comes to blouse మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్ నియాన్ గ్రీన్ బ్లౌజ్ ఇచ్చారు ఫర్ దిస్ సారీ. సో వైన్ అండ్ నియాన్ గ్రీన్. Let me show you the rest of the collection. Here comes the first saree. So here we have yellow with a brighter shade of tomato red on borders. You can call this as neon yellow. So saree మీద ఉన్న motifs అన్ని మనకి డ్యూయల్ జరీ తోటి ఇచ్చారు. ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ అంతా సిల్వర్ అండ్ గోల్డ్. అండ్ ఆన్ బార్డర్స్ మనకి రెడ్ కలర్ ఉందండి, మంచి బ్రైట్ షేడ్ ఆఫ్ రెడ్ ఆన్ బార్డర్స్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ద సారీ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఇన్ లైవ్. చాలా ప్రిటీ కలర్స్ తోటి వచ్చాము. హియర్ కమ్స్ ద బ్లౌజ్ విత్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ కలర్. Price of the saree is 10,440 rupees only. So let's see the second one. So all over the saree we have single color here. So it's a single colored saree with a beautiful Banarasi work on borders. So this is the entire saree. Manaki ikkada ichina motifs kuda dual zari motifs unnai in the shape of square with gold and silver. This is a saree. with pallu. And here goes the blouse. Let's see the price of this. So it's 12,999 rupees on. So this is a lighter shade with cream and cherry red on borders. So this is very lighter shade lo undandi and night parties ki chala baaguntundi. So Shravan Masam is on. So we need many sarees kada. So here is one such saree which is pretty and lovely in live. Chala baagundi live boy saree. So ఇది వచ్చి మనకి డిజైన్ అండ్ ప్యాటర్న్ అంతా కూడా పట్టు సారీ స్టైల్లో ఉందండి. దో ఇట్స్ ఆర్గంజా విత్ బనారసి బోర్డర్. Let's see the price for this. So it's very reasonable, 9,900 rupees only. So zari work anta kuda manaki pure pattu sarees మీద ఎలా అయితే ఉంటుందో as it is alage undandi in organza. So here we have baby pink, brighter shade of baby pink with magenta pink on borders. So we have two different shades on this saree, lighter one and a darker shade on borders. So saree anta kuda manaki dual zari floral design icharu in bigger shade size. So saree anta kuda manaki two different zari motifs unnayi and even on border we have gold with silver. Here's the blouse and pallu. Let's see the price for this. So it costs 10,440 rupees only. So we have different shades of magenta pink here. So in between it looks like a bit of wine and borders lo vachi up and top and bottom of the saree manaki koncham lighter shade ichcharandi magenta pink toti. When it comes to borders we have beautifully designed zari on borders. So saree anta manaki silver zari motifs unnayi and on borders we have a work with gold. And baby pink on pallu with self-colored blouse, but it's totally designed in silver. Let's see the price of the saree. So it's 10,500 rupees on. So here we have a lovely color combination again with parrot green and hot pink on borders. So ఇది వచ్చి మనకి సారీ అంతా కూడా గోల్డెన్ జరీ స్ట్రైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, horizontal stripes. So when you drape it properly, these lines will be in horizontal. So in between these lines we have rose florals in silver. Other side of the border we have multiple color thread work. So let me explain you what all colors we have here. Hot pink, two different shades of pink, hot pink and magenta pink. We have green, leaf green and orange. Throughout the border మనకి ఈ 4 color threads తోటి work ఉంది. This is the pallu and here goes the blouse, which is beautifully designed. So all over the blouse it's filled with work. So just have a look at this. Coming to price details, so please ping the screenshot of the saree. Our team will reveal the price. So this is another brighter shade of hot pink with darker shade of green on borders. So this is a rare combination. Usually ee color combination lo chala takku untayandi sarees. So we have stripes all over the saree. With pallu and here's the blouse. So the blouse is fully designed. So we have got such a beautiful work on this blouse, contrast colored blouse. Let's see the price for this one. So it costs very reasonable price now, Nandi. This is the first saree in this session with a price of 6,700 only. So here comes the order details, helpline numbers. So మీకు ఇప్పటి వరకు చూపించిన కలెక్షన్లో if you have liked any saree, guys, please take a screenshot of it and share on this WhatsApp number. Our team will help you in placing orders. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do ship across different countries throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. Let's see the rest of the collection. So here is a purple shade. So throughout the saree we have a single color, purple. When it comes to borderline, we have darker shade of violet on two sides of the border. So this is a saree with pallu, and we have a darker shade of violet on blouse. So it's a contrast color. We have purple on saree and darker shade of violet on blouse. Let's see the price. It costs 13,999 rupees on. So here's the another saree with copper sulphate blue and mango yellow on borders. So we have leaf shaped motifs all over the saree and also roses in between with dual zari work, gold and silver. Other side we have a big border of 12 inches. So the border is differently designed. We have got 3 different sections. On the edge manaki thread work undi with the pink, green and orange threads. In between we have zari with silver and floral design. So in the beginning of the border we have floral design in 3 lines. So this is the total border, and here is the saree with pallu and blouse. Price of this one is 6,700 rupees only. So we have too many shades of brinjal in this collection. So here is another one with dark shade of violet and tomato red on borders. So ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి సారీ అంతా డ్యూయల్ జరీ తోటి ఫిల్లింగ్ ఇచ్చారండి, మోటివ్స్ అంతా. On borders we have gold with silver design. This is the pallu with blouse. And price is 10,440 rupees only. So we have neon green here. So we have seen green with pink combination before, but that's a parrot green. And here we have neon green with hot pink, brighter shade of hot pink and neon green on saree. So saree anta kuda we have circular rings. So circular rings lopala leaf shape motifs icharu with gold and silver zari work. So the saree is too pretty in life. With pallu here, and here's the blouse. So we, though it's a plain blouse, we have a contrast lovely pink here. And price of the saree is 10,440 rupees only. So here is under violet. So too many violets in this session. So guys, just see the borders properly. Manaki chala different color combinations toti icharu with violet on, and for this saree we have rama green on borders with violet on saree and floral zari motifs. So throughout the pallu we have a zari work, heavy zari work, and this is the blouse. So throughout the blouse we have floral zari motifs. Let's see the price of this one. So it costs 9,900 rupees on. So here is another pretty one. So this is similar to the sari which I have shown in the display, but on display we have multiple colors. When it comes to this sari, we have different shades of green on this. So in between we have stripes, and when it comes to down, so manaku akkada leaf green undi, we have rama green, and overall sari is in parrot green. So this is of very reasonable price. This is the pallu and here is the blouse. Coming to the price of the sari, it costs 5,500 rupees on. So here we have another sari with a brighter shade of wine and green on borders. So you can call this bottle green on borders and wine on complete sari. When it comes to border, we have leaf green mixed with wine, mixed with bottle green, and there is also a copper zari shine on the borders, mixed with silver. So this is the sari and pallu. Here is the blouse, which is purely designed. Coming to the sari price, it costs 6,000 rupees only. Very reasonable price on the sari. So we have mustard yellow with copper sulphate blue on borders. So sari anta we have diamond shaped motifs with gold and silver. And on borders we have floral zari work on one side. So other side it's mix of lines and floral booties. Here comes the pallu and contrast colored blouse. Coming to the price details, it costs 10,440 rupees on. Here is another red in chili color, chili red kind. So we have chili red with bottle green on borders and floral booties with gold and silver mixed color ochindi, gold and silver toti. And on borders we have beautiful floral work. So the chi bandipo untundi kadandi aa shape motif undi on borders. So this is the total sari with pallu, and here is the blouse. Price is 6,000 rupees on. Here comes another brighter shade in violet. So this model, this pattern lo mundu chupinchandi. So this is other color combination with violet and red. Here is the pallu. And let's see the blouse for this sari, which is in contrast red color with one side border for sleeves. And price is 10,440 rupees on. So ippidi varaku chupinchina collection lo we have only 2 sarees with lighter shades. So one is in cream and red, the one which I've showed in the very beginning, and this is the second one with half white and parrot green on borders. సో సారీ అంతా మనకి సిల్వర్ జరీ తోటి వర్క్ ఉందండి. వీ హ్యావ్ సిల్వర్ జరీ మోటివ్స్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద సారీ. With pallu, and here's the contrast colored blouse for this one with green, lighter shade of parrot green. This is price of this is 13,999 rupees. So here's another shade in wine with neon green on borders. So this is lighter shade of neon green on borders with wine and diamond zari motifs throughout the saree with pallu. And here's the contrast blouse. So we have a lighter shade of blouse on borders, and throughout the saree we have darker shade of wine. So for price details of this saree, please do fingers on this WhatsApp number. So our team will reveal the price over there. So if you చూపించిన collection lo, if you have liked any saree, do take a screenshot of that one and share on this WhatsApp number. For online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Please take a screenshot of it and keep it handy. We do have international shipping from our Mugdha stores throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. So let's see the next saree. Here we have a different design. So mundu chupinchina collection anta kuda it's a complete different design with two different shades on the saree. So in between we have darker shade of violet, and on top and bottom manaki purple color icharu near the borders. So borders meeda manaki zari toti work undandi, gold and silver. Here is the pallu with three shaped motifs in silver, and this is the blouse. Let's see the price details. So it costs 10,500 rupees only. So we have chocolate brown with red. So this is similar to what I'm wearing. It's a similar pattern. But with a different color combination. And here's the pallu with red color blouse. Price of this one is 11,520 rupees only. We have two different shades on this one with baby pink on saree body and magenta pink on borders. So saree anta kuda circular rings unnai with two different zari, gold and silver. Here's the blouse, contrast color. Price 10,440 rupees only. So this is the first saree in this session. So we have only one. We have shown only one saree in orange so far. So on borders we have darker shade of peacock blue on borders. So orange with peacock blue. So borders mida manaki silver and maroon color thread work undandi. Background lo zari shine icharu. On two sides of the border we have similar design with pallu. So let's see the blouse for this one. So which is really beautiful, designed in peacock blue color. So throughout the blouse we have floral thread work in different colors. Coming to saree price, very reasonable, 6,700 rupees only. So orange with peacock blue lo undandi, rare color combination. Usually we get red or pink with peacock blue. So here's the bottle green with the cherry red on borders. and dual zari on sari body. With pallu, and here's the blouse in red. Price of this is 10,440 rupees on. So let's see the next one, which is a very pretty color, copper sulphate blue with orange on borders. This is the pallu, and let me show you the blouse. So this is the blouse in orange. Price is 6,700 rupees on. So we have hot pink with darker shade of violet on borders. So pink and violet with dual zari booties. Here is the pallu, and blouse. Price is 6,000 rupees on. So we have mustard yellow with beautiful work on sari. So ఇది వచ్చి మనకి డిస్ప్లేలో ఉన్న 4th piece మోడల్ అండి ఇది. With pallu, and here is the blouse. Price is 10,440 rupees on. So here we have baby pink with brinjal violet on borders, and we have got vertical lines in zari all over the sari. With pallu, and here's the blouse. Price is 12,999 rupees only. 12,999. So we have lux green with chocolate brown. So మనం ఈ ప్యాటర్న్ లో చాలా కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా చూసామండి. చాలా డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ తో వచ్చారు. ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చే రొటీన్ కాంబోస్ కాకుండా. So guys, check it out. This is a pallu with blouse. Price 10,440 rupees only. So this is red and green on borders with booties all over the saree. So ఈ సారీ మీద మనకి చిన్న ఫ్లోరల్ మోటివ్స్ ఇచ్చారు, ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ అ లైన్. సో లైన్స్ లాగా ప్లేస్ చేశారు సారీ అంతా కూడా ఈ ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ని. హియర్స్ ద పల్లు, and this is the blouse in green. Price is 9,900 rupees on. So this is the last piece in this session. Such a beautiful color it is, black. So saree అంతా మనకి బ్లాక్ లో ఇచ్చారు, బట్ ఇది వచ్చి హాఫ్ సారీ టైప్ సారీలో ఉందండి, which is very similar to the one which is in the mannequin. So similar pattern లో ఉంది with the different colors. So let me read out the colors here. We have royal blue, sky blue, green, parrot green and black on this. So the designer piece, we have only 2 pieces in this collection. With pallu, blouse. So we have a self-colored blouse, plain blouse only, but though it's really beautiful in life. Price is 12,240 rupees only. So here are the helpline numbers. So make a saree nachna, hurry up, take a screenshot and share on this WhatsApp number. For online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do ship throughout the globe, so guys, hurry up and place your orders. Deliveries will be very soon. So that's it in this session. See you all in tomorrow's live. This is Swali signing off for the day. Bye bye.